Hello guys, for today video we gonna do harvest jelly. Look at that jelly guys, it's a lot of red already. So yan, we will do harvest. We just pick for the friend. Look, so many red already guys. So they everywhere. Ayan, kita na natin. Dito naman tayo guys. So also we got eggplant guys, look. Ayan, dito naman tayo. I don't know where to start guys because it's so many. Ayan, ikot ng ikot tayo. Ayan ito lang na harvest ko guys. Ayan, patuwad-tuwad. I'm enjoying guys when I'm doing harvesting in the farm guys, you know. Ayan. Ikot mo na. Ikot na natin. So, ang dami pa, maliliit pa siya, Masarap ito pang sigang sa Bicol Express. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Salamat. Ano, ang dami dito guys, Ito, ikot na to, Sa sobrang dami guys, I don't know where to pick. Ayan. Dito tayo sa green. Ayan. Green. Pag nagpick kayo, ganito lang guys. Ayan. Diba? Ayan. Ayan. Puno na ba to? Ganon. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't accept my ads guys. So yan, ganito lang guys. Salamat. Okay, salamat. Ito na guys yung na-harvest ko. Good for 1 month na. Thank you.